Pigeon, 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 pigeon. Ah! Never mind. Hey, so light. Look at the pigeon. Look at the pigeons over there. Hey guys, me and today. I am waiting in the car for my grandma. And I don't know what to do right now. I'm tired. Look at that big fluffy cloud over there. That cloud next to the pigeons. And there's a car right there. I don't know why. Move, car, move! These cars that are on other cars' ways. Pigeon, pigeon, pigeon.
Corporation over there at Nike cutting you a check, bro. Like that's for people that get the like Ralph Lauren.
I have nothing to do right now, so I'm just looking for something to do.
Nah, bro, I ain't getting paid enough for that. I'm still trying to figure out if I want one tattoo. My commitment is to take care of me.
Nothing.
Baby, I appreciate you calling, all right? Have a great day. You too, bye. Now, coming up on that work, NBA kind of turned into a Love and Hip Hop, Real Housewives type of reality show.
It moved.
I'm saying he's trying to find somebody in
So I'm Malones. Oh, those pigeons are on the sign. You see? Look. Some are fighting. See, they're fighting. Nah, now they don't have to fight. I'm just.
K104, hip hop and R&B. All right, Dr. H, I know you got two kiddos. Are you ready for them to be like, oh, summer long? Oh my God.
Usually I just look outside.
Even if it's just to give yourself an hour break.
Lynn Dentistry is babysitting.
Eh.
I love it.
And this is how you don't pull them out of school. This is actually when every dental office gets busy.
Look, they're even there.
So make your appointment soon. And we have something really cool.
One can relax in that old.
And everybody
And
already knows about our free whitening of PPO dental insurance, and that isn't going away. But the plan is for those that don't have dental
Where's it
insurance.
going?
And they need an affordable solution.
Ah,
There's ways to
cars.
get the best dental care at an affordable price. Check out the discount plan online at mintdentistry.com, and it's a way for you to get free teeth whitening. And this is the answer you've been waiting for. This is our solution that helps those people out.
I love it. Whether you have insurance, PPO dental insurance, or you don't, man,
I'm just so
Dentistry is the place to be. Hit them up, y'all, at mintdentistry.com.
Girl, you won't believe what just happened.